This is part 5 of whether I'd save my skincare or not, and I can barely see outside. Hurricane is scary. Okay, Francis, we see you getting to be like Ida, trying to grow up and be your big sister. Finally, Ellie, the good thing, we're on our last thing, and it's the Bronzy Drops and the Lala Retro. These are samples from Sephora, but I'd still definitely save them because I don't have them. So I'm totally going to be saving them for sure. Bye.